we single out Bilangin ng Bituin sa Langit dito sa libro. Pero how did you get into your character playing the roles of both the father and then the son?
Actually, that was the first challenge talaga. Being able to do a movie and doing two characters, di ba? The older one and the son. And during those days, I was very thankful, first of all, kay Mother Lily for giving me that role, and also si Derek Elwood, who was also very, very instrumental in guiding us. I guess a lot of factors come into the picture when you're doing a movie like that and you're selecting a character. Sometimes you create your own character in your mind. Sometimes you're reminded of a person or somebody who basically you think would fit the demands of that character. Sa Bilangin ang Bituin sa Langit, yung father role, I chose an uncle of mine because the way they made me up, the way they combed my hair, the way they put the mustache on me, it reminded me very much of the look of my uncle. And so I said, if I can remember the way he looks, I think I can also imitate the way he walks, the way he talks, I mean the quirks. I was thinking, so as to be able to right away build a character that would be different from the son. So malaking factor yun sa akin nung ginagawa namin. Plus, there were things beyond our control na, bilangin took 2 years eh. 2 years namin ginawa ang bilangin. Yeah, because of, 3 years ba? Yeah, isipin mo, alam ko, sila. The factors beyond our control. No, but it turned out to be, it worked out better because we had a lot of time that when we were revising the script, we were revising it in a way, gumaganda siya ng gumaganda. Nagiging very balanced yung mga characters and everything. So, talagang, of course, ang pinaka bottom line nga is, for me, napakalaking bagay is, when I won Best Actor Award also, so sabi ko, it was a justification na somehow I was able to give life to the characters, the two characters in the movie that I played. Yung tatay at saka yung ako. Yeah. And alam ni Chara yun.
If I may add, talaga nagbilang kami ng bituin sa amin.
Ayun na. And isipin mo, direct ano ka noon? Art director si.
But after 1 year, I quit from the project.
Ang daming factor na masayang magulo na, but at the end of the day, it came out well. Naging maganda yung project. Kaya I'm still very thankful for that.
Pero as an actor, do you know that you are good or you cannot tell?
I cannot tell. Sabi ko, I leave that to the audience, to the people who watch. I just try to put, I try to put my best foot forward. Yun lang. Hanggang dun lang. But of course, it's not only me. Of course, yung kasama mo sa set, yung director mo, di ba, the other actors who basically prop you up also para maging magandang interaction. Yun. So, I guess, doon ako nagpapasalamat na I've been given also the chance to work with very good actors and actresses.